Hey everyone, I'm Rohan from One Stop Solution, and in this video, I will show you how to enable personalized ads on Twitter. Personalized ads help provide more relevant content based on your interests, improving your overall Twitter experience. So, let's get started on how to enable personalized ads on Twitter. Start by opening the Twitter app on your device. Tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Now, tap on Settings and Support. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. Go to Privacy and Safety. Scroll to Ad Preferences and tap on it. Find the Personalized Ads section and tap on the toggle box to enable it. And that's how you can enable personalized ads on Twitter. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming videos.